Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if widgets are not working in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick way how to fix it. So the first method is that I'm going to end the widget process. For that I will open the task manager and I will look for a process called widgets and right click and end task. Now then I will open widgets. If it is not working, still not working, we can try the second method, which is to restart Windows Explorer. So open Task Manager and look for Explorer, type Explorer and right click and just restart, quickly restart it. Hopefully after performing these two steps, the issue will be fixed. And look, now if it is not fixed, still you are facing the same issue, what you can do is you can try to enable, first disable the widget option and then enable the widget option again. So for that, go to settings and then after that uh, go to this option and then go to taskbar and then try to disable the widgets and then enable it again. Now hopefully after doing this you will be able to open the widgets and it will be working. But if it is not working, you can try out the last method, which is to uninstall this Windows Web Experience Pack and then after that you will install this again. Now, what you can do is open the PowerShell, open it as an administrator, just click yes and just copy paste this command over here. So I'm going to provide this command in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste. Just paste it over here and press enter. And just wait and so it has been uninstalled. Now is the time to install this package again. For that, what you can do is just open the Google search bar, open Google and just go to this particular link. I will provide this link in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste the link in the browser. Now I'm going to install this Windows Web Experience Pack. Install it and now the installation process has been started. I'm going to close this option which is coming again and again. Just close this because I have already logged in my account. Look, now preparing to download. It will take some time to complete. Just wait. After this, I will restart my computer. So finally it has been installed. Now it's the time to restart my computer. So I will close everything and I will restart my computer. So see you after the restart. So I have done the restart. My widgets are working perfectly fine. That's it. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.